जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है आपके? ठीक है, उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। सो इन आवर today's lecture or in our today's video that we are going to find the value of x cube plus y cube and xy if x plus y and x minus y is given, like x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So by looking at this question, that there is a technical way to solve this question. That how can we solve this question? Let's think about that. The values are given of x plus y is equals to 5 and x minus y is equals to 3. So these are the two equations that we have to use to find the value of x cube plus y cube and xy. So we are going to find the easiest way that how can we find the values. So by using these two equations, which are given as x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So by using these two equations, we are going to find the values of x cube plus y cube and xy. So if we add these two equations, so we can find the values of x and y separately, and then we will put the values of x and y in these expressions to find the values of these things. So let's start from this step, that first of all, if we add these two equations, you can say this one is equation 1 and this one is equation 2. So by adding equation number 1 and 2, so if we add these two equations, so plus y and minus y will be cancelled with each other, and then 2x plus y will be makes 2x is equals to 5 plus 3, 8, and x is equals to 8 over 2 will be equals to 4. So the value of x is equals to 4. So now we have found the value of x. So if we put this value of x in any one of these equations, so we can find the value of y. So let's see, if we put the value of x in equation number 1, so what's going to happen? By putting the value of x in equation number 1. So if we put the value of x in equation number 1, so what's going to happen? The value of x is equal to 4. If we put 4 in equation number 1 in the place of x, so that will become 4 plus y is equal to 5. So we will take this 4 to the other side of the equation with the 5, because we have to find the value of y. So value of y will be equals to 5. When you take this plus 4 from one side to the other side of the equation, then the sign will be changed. So on this side, the sign of the 4 is positive, then the other side, the sign will be changed into negative. So the value of y will be equals to 1. So now we have found the value of x is equal to 4 and value of y is equal to 1. So now it's easy to find the values of x cube plus y cube and xy. So let's see how can we find the value of x cube plus y cube. So here I'm going to make the two spaces to find the value of x cube plus y cube and xy. So now we are going to find the value of x cube plus y cube. So if you see that x cube plus y cube will be equals to, so we are going to put the value of x and y in this equation. So x we have already found is equals to 4, so that will be equals to 4 cube plus the value of y is equal to 1. So we will write 1 raised to power 3 in place of this y cube. So 4 raised to power 3 means 4 is multiplying by 3 times. So 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are 64 plus 1 raised to power 3 always equals to 1, means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 will equal to 1. So 64 plus 1 will be equals to 65. So 65 is the value of x cube plus y cube. So x cube plus y cube will be equals to 65. So that's the first answer, that in the question the statement is given like find the value of x cube plus y cube. So we have found the value of x cube and y cube is equals to 65. And on the other side, if we see that statement will be asked about the find the value of x and xy. Xy means x is multiplying by y. So if we see xy means xy will be equal to, we are going to put the value of x and y in this expression. So value of x we have already found that equals to 4. So 4 multiplied by value of y is equal to 1. So we are going to put the value of y over here as a number 1. So 4 will be multiplied by 1 will be equals to 4. So the value of x and y is equal to 4. So that's the way that we can find the values of the given expressions, that if you see in the statement that we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube and xy, and these two expressions are given, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 3. So that's the way that we have found the values, and at the end x cube plus y cube is equals to 65. We have found the value of x cube plus y cube is 65, and the value of xy is equals to 4. So that's the way we have found the values. So उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो देखते हुए ये स्टेप बाय स्टेप चीज़ों की समझ आएगी इंशाअल्लाह ताला. I will see you in my next video. Please do subscribe my channel. So तब तक के लिए अपना ध्यान रखें. खुदा हाफिज़.